Hello everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin. Today I want to show you a flow control valve. If you like it, please follow me. Let's check it. This is a VC anti-rust specs. The label, Shumatt logo. If you want to print with your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. Product code F00VC01338. Application model number 04510247 045110246248 04511023 QR code. Two candle packages, yep, can be better protect our product. This one, the oil paper, the whole side. We also sell in the separate part valve cap with coating and the curved letters. The valve roll, different size, different lengths, and if you want other sizes, contact us. Yep. Okay, that's all the details we are showing today. Yes, actually we have many model numbers, right? Send us product code, we can have you to check it. Also, you can download the app. 3 tips. Clean it with oil. Make sure the valve cap in the right position. Make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you. Have a good day.